Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have arsenic tetrabromide, which is anion. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. Steric number is H, which equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here you have arsenic, which is valency is 5, then chlorine atom is 4, then steric number will be 10 divided by 2, which gives 5. So the lone pair will be H minus B, which equals 1. H5 means sp3 dehybridization, which leads to trigonal bipyramidal structure. But where the lone pair occupy? Lone pair occupy equatorial position due to the steric reason. If you read nicely, you can see the structure is CSIR. So the shape of arsenic tetrabromide anion is CSIR. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.